So hi my friends, are you looking for a way to get more probiotics in your diet? Well, this is a kimchi recipe that I'd like to share with you that gives you an opportunity to use a really rich nutritional kimchi with kind of a stew base of tomatoes underneath it, which adds a really great flavor. And I think you'll really enjoy it. I wanted to share with you a little bit about how to use kimchi. Kimchi is a Korean side dish, kind of a last resort to getting some vegetables to store for the winter. It turns out to be a wonderful probiotic, a lot like a sauerkraut or something. But this actually has a lot of versatility, and you can add it to a lot of different dishes, vegetable or meat. And here I'm showing you how I would use it with an egg, kind of a frittata. This is a baked egg dish with a little bit of sausage in it and some mushrooms and collards with a little bit of cheese on top. So that's what I'm serving it over. And you don't want to do a long cook on your kimchi because the probiotics can be damaged in the heat, and you want to preserve those. And even though I've worked with a lot of Korean people and they cook it down, it's not a good choice when it comes to your nourishment. So what I did is I made a really yummy kimchi stew. This is made with a can of tomatoes. I used a 28-ounce can of petite sliced diced tomatoes and one red onion, a small red onion, and a couple of garlic cloves. And then I took a couple of cups of collard greens. I really like the way this tastes with the eggs, or with maybe a rotisserie chicken and some Brussels sprouts. So you'll put that on top and then add the kimchi on top. And you just keep that stored in the refrigerator. So anyway, that is a really great kimchi meal.